Dear friend, my name is Adam Batsa and I've been in charge of foreign affairs for 3 months, so this is my debut. First time we thank you very much for the invitation because it's great here and we enjoy ourselves great. Thanks. At first I'm going to introduce the Hungarian society with words, with from a few points of view, and then a slideshow will entertain you. Huh? So, we, the Hungarian Tolkien Society, this is our former name also, was founded in 2002, in the 16th of June, and the Hungarian translation of The Lord of the Rings was in 1980 in Hungary. So it's a shame that we have just found each other on the internet because of the upcoming movies also. So, well... Strange people among the second children of Gil-galad. Have been found each other on the wide web of the world. Oh no. Everybody sees it.
They had one thing in common.
To come. Budapest is how many kilometers?
For here, 640.
Ah, okay.
6 hour driving from here.
Yeah. Okay.
Nearly all the way is motorway.
So even less from Ljubljana. Okay. Okay. Great.
These are some presents. And one gift. This is a very fine Hungarian wine, and this one.
Difficult to follow up on your presentation. Congratulations to the Hungarian Tolkien Society. I have to get one of those slideshows. That's amazing. Yeah, I always tell my people, you know, send us some really nice pictures. But I don't have any slideshow pictures with me because most of the pictures that we have are too embarrassing. Mostly to the president of the society, so I don't have any. A big thank you also to the Slovenian Tolkien Society, who has so graciously invited me, and I'm glad to be here. I'm glad to be being introduced to Laško, which is a great beer. You know, the Austrians obviously know it, you know, okay? It is a snake, supposedly, or some sort of worm coiling around an eye. Now, you would imagine the eye, you know, Sauron, everything, that's okay, but it's the Fellowship. So what should that be on the first cover? So there's a slipcase usually with it, which is even worse. It has the pedestals of sort of like eagles and things that should not be flying, actually, but it's on there, and that's the first cover. The second one, for the Two Towers, is this. Yeah, it's you know, that's we remember first cover, coiling eye something with a worm and an eagle or something. I'm not quite sure.
Well, my dear brothers and sisters, I'm of course very happy to be here again, not for the first time. But first I'd like to make a little correction on Marcel, because I'm not a founding member, but the first foreign member they ever had. So I can correct and keep an eye on what he is telling. And he said he started to speak about anecdotes. And anecdotes, one of his anecdotes, for instance, maybe for you wondering, when he started, he had a dream. He said, Jan, we will get 10,000 members. Think about it, €25 per member. I get a full-time job. Paid as well. He never got it. And he's still dreaming. There's only a little side. when you ask me about the presentation, I say, well, presentation, I can do a little presentation first, but as presentations, I don't know what to say about presentations. I've been to many presentations, they're terrible, usually, because generally this is an exception compared to all the presentations I've been, because usually the foreign societies are speaking to each other. And every year you meet again, and every year they talk again the same story. I really don't care if you celebrate 16th of June, whatever year, who cares? We are 22nd of September, who cares? The Dutch society. So in generally speaking, it is nice. I like to switch over from presentation and say, well, forget presentation, the Dutch do the Dutch way. And I don't want to be a Dutch anymore, I prefer to go to an endmoed. So we changed the word presentation into mood. Right? As I'm Van Gorn from now on, and everybody remembers me like this, I like to because I am. Now in the mood we do things again differently. There is a good reason why, so I can try to explain you a few things about Van Gorn. It's of course very secretly the Van Gorn, the Ent family. Why you think we speak Entish with each other? So that no secrets of us is coming around to the humans or the elves. So first I'd like to start, are there any elves here present? Can you put your hand up? Who is an elf here? Are there any elves? Elves are here? I was thinking a lot of elves. I see nice ladies dressed up. But I disappointed to say, I was hoping to have a meeting under the stars again, together with my elves. But yesterday night, I have not seen any star. Are there any dwarves? We have dwarves here as well? No one is playing a dwarf? Hope you keep your eggs at home? Good, thank you. Any hobbits? Hobbits, a lot of hobbits, great. Well, don't let your hair grow too much, otherwise you stumble on them. So I like to warn you a little bit. But humans are also a lot of humans. You are many humans, right? Yeah. We already have from the fourth age, the first age, all mixed up. Well, for the humans, I have done, of course, something. Things I like to tell you about the secrets. First of all, you can all stop looking for my wife. There's a secret between us now, because I have not spread it around. When I met Tolkien many years ago, when he came into the park, sitting behind his tree, my tree, he said, well, what I must do with women in the book. What item? He said, well, we better make a good story. Tolkien, I said to him, how you love your wife? What you do with your wife? Well, she's staying home, doing the cookery, the cleaning, the drying, preparing the children, everything. She's staying home. A fantastic job for your wife. And so I said, yes, funny enough, my wife is doing that as well. She is also staying home and doing the cookery and the cleaning. But this modern age, the liberation of women. The women want to be independent. Boss of their own belly. Of course it's all nice. So let's make a story of, because we cannot tell them they are staying at home. They want to be powerful. So we made that story. So you need to look at more. My wife is really at home and doing all those things for me. And we are most happy and it is balanced. And at home, she is the boss.
About our Austrian Tolkien Society, Elisa did this presentation
very well, as you see.
But I'm starting now because, of course, we have to start at the beginning, which was 6 years ago when we had our first meeting. As you can see here, it's good they show the date. I wouldn't have known, 20th September in 2002.
Good morning, here's Paolo, he's going to talk in Italian, I'm going to translate, I will try.
Allora, io ho pensato, venendo su qui, agli argomenti da trattare, ma poi arrivato qua